Hello everyone, this is the Minecrafter and I'm doing a special episode with this little someone that if you've seen my previous episodes, you'll recognize he's mr.pebs, and I might do a peaches episode. 1 second, I'm pretty sure. Exactly 1 second. Well, while something's happening, I want to see what's happening because I don't think I'm confused. I'm, I'm gonna pause the video recording right here. I didn't say I need to see someone I saw. I said I need to see something. I need to go get a glass of water. But pausing this right here. Okay. Got a nice glass of water. And now, let's go. Recipes, but it's on the it's towards the camera. Sorry about that. Wanted staring straight into the camera like the proper Peter Dragon would. I'm gonna have to do finite the Freddy's. I want to finally get a face cam of me in front of somebody's toe. Oh! Not even scared me. My body. Yeah. Okay, just making sure that if I jump up a lot, Mr. P isn't gonna, really mischievous and fall off. Oh, poop. Hmm. Hmm. I just want to show you walk. Hello, cute back I'm scared. Maybe I just, but now I'm gonna do guess what? Mr. Peeps special edition of Who's Howard. Why? He's gonna trying to he's gonna help. I know I've changed that um since my first time on YouTube what was, okay? I'm really quick gonna wow, so it's been 2 years, so in 2015, that was my first episode. And it's where it's come from. Because I found the first time as one of the um, first things I've ever done. Well, one of the first videos I've made to hello to the Minecraft video. I just like how the channel has evolved from a main Minecraft channel to a channel with all sorts of like showing the Minecraft and once I started to make videos again, I didn't see the Minecraft videos just a couple of weeks ago. Oh, I totally forgot. I'm going to have to in the world for a while. I'm not a big now, but I just was I had I had just got out. What's this? Well, hey, it was ice float. Okay, I need it. You know what I mean? This I'm gonna do. Guess what? Mama, mama. That's the excellent. Bum, 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 bum. I'm about to use it. Um, this is gonna get very hard. I need to get this one from the way. There we go. I love it. Woo! That's the one. This thing, I Wi-Fi. Yes. Ninja. Wi-Fi. This is 45. This is gonna go on all day. Both of us have unstoppable forces. Because even if they do it to us, they have to deal with this. Which I don't think they can deal with. Yeah, I don't think that's literally nothing. That's a fact. Nothing about this is dead for the movie. This is a death destruction from a World War II prison. It's death, not really death. Pure death. There is a chance of surviving if you type it to the death strip and World War II, which is absolutely horrible and was really pointless and just so brutal. Ridiculous that they caused it. You have a like the most happy joy, happy joy. Really, the whole thing is the joy. I have no glass. I'm going to put my glasses. Well, besides, besides, 1,200. Means besides, 20 people know a person seems like 200. Maybe I can't be skip math. I can't, well, I can, but I can't be, I can't even skip math. I can't be, what is that? Snowball? No, it's snowball. I spent too long explaining how I was in school. Now, I'm going to be dead. I'm going dead. Nope, nope, nope. I hate socks. That's why. I'm going to end this video here. Don't forget, this is maximum. This is the